In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly manage your website using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. Building and customizing your online presence has never been easier, and with these simple steps, you'll be up and running in no time. So, whether you're a small business owner, a creative professional, or just someone looking to start a new project, this guide will lead you through the process smoothly. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to the Wix setup page. So fire up your browser and type manage.wix.com. This brings you to the Wix dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your websites. You can view your current projects, create new ones, and access a variety of tools and settings to help you customize your site to fit your needs. Next, let's move to adding some elements to your page. Open up the Wix editor by going to editor.wix.com. Once you're there, you'll see an option labeled Add Elements on the sidebar. Clicking here allows you to integrate a range of components into your website, from simple text boxes and buttons to more complex features like forms and galleries. This step is significant because the elements you choose to add can significantly impact the look and feel of your site, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment to find what works best for your vision. Then, we'll delve into adding widgets and apps using HTML code. Back in the Add Elements section, you'll find the option to add widgets and apps. Here you can enhance your site's functionality by integrating third-party plugins. If you have a code snippet you wish to add, simply select the HTML code option to paste it into the provided box. This flexibility allows you to integrate unique features that are specific to your brand or project requirements. Once you're done adding apps, it's time to handle linking. Under the same Add Elements section, you'll find website address. Clicking on this lets you type in or paste any external link you want to add to your site. This feature is helpful for referencing additional resources, linking to a blog, or even connecting social profiles seamlessly. Now that you've entered the desired link, click on the Apply button to finalize your changes. Make sure to review everything to ensure all links and widgets are functioning as intended and look correct within your site design. A quick check can save a lot of trouble later on. Finally, wrap up your work by clicking on the Save button. It's crucial to save regularly to ensure that none of your hard work is lost. Once saved, your changes are safe, and your website is one step closer to completion. There you have it, a simple, effective walkthrough for customizing your Wix website using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. With these tools at your fingertips, you can create a stunning and functional website perfectly tailored to meet your needs. Don't forget to explore other features and continue enhancing your online presence. Happy designing!